We have 50 euros to spend in 24 hours in Paris.
Can we do it?
Let's do it.
Hey, it's Chris and Ellen. We travel 3 to 6 months per year and share tips on how to travel more for less. While we love sharing our adventures with you, we also want to make the world a better place. Our first mission is to take teachers on a trip designed just for them so they can get inspired in Europe and bring that passion back to their students. Our goal is to spark a love for travel and foster a new generation with a broader perspective. Support us on Patreon and subscribe to make this dream trip a reality. But for now, on to the video. Last night we flew into Paris after almost 30 hours of travel, and today feels super jet lagged.
I woke up this morning at 5 in the morning, went outside because I just couldn't sleep any longer after tossing and turning for a couple hours, and just watched Paris wake up, saw the bakery opening, we're the first ones in there. There's no one on the streets. It was very quiet. It was nice.
So first thing we're going to do is wander through a market street in Paris called Rue Montague. It's free and it's fun. So Paris has several historic market streets where they protect the restaurants and things like that that are on the streets. There should be always a baker, a butcher, a chocolate shop.
Candlestick maker.
Yeah. And so that way it's like an actual street that people can go and live and still have like that French culture.
So it's not all kebabs just lining the streets. It's nice.
So this is in the Latin Quarter of Paris. This street is a good example of why they have to protect their historic market streets. So this restaurant is like supposed to be one of the oldest restaurants in Paris and serves really good escargot. I mean, I think that's why it's called Les Escargots, but that's what I read. So Ganeshi's first time in Paris and she wants to get macarons, which you definitely should try at least once. I'm not a huge fan, they're usually a little bit more expensive, but if you're gonna spend that much money on a little tiny pastry, go to the spot that's known for them, that's been making them for forever, called La Durée. I think that's how you say it, La Durée.
It's a new one actually. It's with black tea, cherry, strawberry, du pistachio, and orange chocolate.
Merci. Bonne soirée. Wandering through Paris is an activity in itself. We're always discovering new things.
Like, look at this alleyway. That's cool. Look at that church building thing. Don't know what it is. That's cool. Look at that wavy building thing. It's like a mall. That's cool.
Unexpected Parisian market. I'm gonna walk down there and I'm super excited. Really? Chris is like, how excited are you? Really excited.
So this is the Seine River, and it's abnormally high right now. If you walked in that path, you'd be insane.
Look at the ducks. Look at the ducks.
She totally missed it.
Oh, insane. Oops. The perfect snack on a cold day is a sugar crepe. Let's go get one.
Next up, Shakespeare and Company.
It's an English bookstore here in Paris. It's been here for years. Proceeds go help support writers, but it's one of my favorite bookstores in the world. So much fun to wander around. I always find something new.
And Ernest Hemingway was here. Who else was here?
Fitzgerald is it's kind of founded in honor of like the lost generation. We can't film inside, but look up the pictures on Google. It's fantastic.
You'll just have to come here yourself. Yeah, it's great.
So we just came out of Shakespeare and Company and we got my favorite souvenir. It's only €2. They type out poems on the typewriters in there and it says like Shakespeare and Company. It tells you like who typed it out and what the name of the typewriter they typed that on. And it's adorable. I love it. I actually have one framed at home, but I wanted some more. And look, it has like red and black on this one. It's all randomized, so you don't know what poems you're getting. It's only €2. Shakespeare and Company is fun, but it's time to move on to the next. Let's walk along the Seine. drop Ganeshi off at the Louvre since it's her first time in Paris, but we've been several times and it's out of our budget for the day. So
I'm excited.
Have fun.
All right, thank
All right.
you.
Now, if it is your first time in Paris, absolutely go to the Louvre, of course. But it's our 5th or 6th time here, so we want to go to like a cafe where Jean-Paul Sartre was. So we're gonna go there. Actually, if you've seen The Good Place, you know when you know when Chidi was like sitting at all the different tables and like trying to sit in the same spot that Jean-Paul Sartre sat in. This is the cafe, so let's go there.
Let's go check it out.
It's a rainy afternoon here in Paris. Gonna have some tea and just enjoy the afternoon where Jean-Paul Sartre would sit. So, Café du Flore. Okay, finished tea. Now we're back with Ganeshi. It's kind of rainy.
It was amazing. It was a lot to take in.
So we're all back together since it's cold and rainy. We're gonna go into the Galeries Lafayette.
That place.
Warm and inside. I have very cold and wet feet right now. Before coming here, I didn't check the weather. I was packing and just assumed it'd be like warm spring weather. Rookie mistake. Just bring like black ankle boots when you come and don't bring Keds like I did so that they'll be in warm weather and cold wet weather like today. You may think it's weird that we came to a shopping mall and we're only doing 50 euros a day in Paris, but there's this gorgeous like dome ceiling and you can walk out into the middle of this for free and it's beautiful pictures, beautiful view, historic building in Paris. So I didn't even know there was a terrace up here, but this is beautiful. It's a free view of the city of Paris, of the terrace of the Galeries de Lafayette.
Okay, little update on how much we spent so far. What are the numbers?
Yeah, so we've only got like 24 euros left for dinner, but we're going to a brasserie instead of a restaurant, and let's see if we can do it. For some great restaurants and brasseries near the Eiffel Tower that aren't touristy, come to the Rue Claire Street. We love the brasseries and restaurants here. We've been to like almost every single one, and it's great. There's cozy blankets when we get cold. Carafe of water. It's great. The wine is not clean, unfortunately. Popcorn? Is this new? See how it tastes with wine.
Here's to a good time in Paris.
Santé.
Something.
My favorite, the confit, and Chris's favorite, beef tartare. Delicious. I'm really excited.
Beef tartare is actually raw meat, which is okay because the cows here are different. They're treated very well, and
they make sure that it's all like super the same. The quality means extraordinarily good. So this is it, completely uncooked. This, just take it, little Worcestershire sauce on it, and then like I promise it's safe. And voila.
Getting an espresso at the end of the meal is just like the finishing point after like eating all the rich foods. It's wonderful. I'm gonna take this tradition back with me to the US. So good.
After dinner, a little bit of a walk it off, and there's one final place we have to go.
And it's completely free. Ready?
Wow, that's amazing. I'm glad I didn't look.
We did a big reveal for her. Kept her looking down the entire time until you could see the whole thing. That's the best way to do it.
Yes, it is. Wow.
When in Paris, got it. The golden toothpick.
It's so beautiful.
Being your first time here and all, what do you think of this building?
Amazing.
What do you think of it?
Amazing.
Why is that?
It's a lot bigger, I feel like, than I imagined.
Yeah?
A lot prettier with the night light.
Yeah.
Now I have to see how it looks during the day.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting so dizzy.